call 5. Now, teacher. 5, 3, and 4. 4 flags. My principal. Name. Mr. Rawan. My school is in Tatut Village. I love my school. Very good. Okay. Now you read. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Name, my school name. There. And 4. Good. My principal. All right, that's good. That's good. Learn how to read. That's good. But some students still don't know how to read yet. All right. All right. Who want to read? Okay. What's your name?
My name is Mei
Mei Liang. Can you read that, Mei Liang? Okay. He want to do like this. We don't have a long stick. Not okay.
My school. My school. This is my school. This is my school. My school is big. My school is big. My school. My school in Go 5.
No, my school name.
My school name is Eagle 5 International School. There are 7 teachers.
Everybody, repeat.
5 classrooms. 3 toilets. And 4 flags. My principal name is
No, Mr.
Mr. Ramon. My school is in Tatut Village.
Okay, say repeat. My school is school is in Tatut.
Village. I love my school.
All right, give me 5. Good job. Who want to come up here?